this bolt off here. Use an 8mm socket. There might be one right there. There's two over here. Take those off. 8mm socket still. And the last one right here. And take this shield, slide it down and out. Slide the connector out right here. Disconnect the connector. Just take a straight blade screwdriver and just pry this out on both sides. It's disconnected. And slide the wire out of the clip. And just move the clip down. Pull the wire out. There's another clip up here. Slide the wire out of that clip. You just slide the clip off the bracket out of the way. The O2 sensor is located right here, and this is the one closer to the passenger side door. I'm going to use a 22mm wrench. If you can fit an O2 sensor socket in there, you can use that. And just loosen it up. And slide the O2 sensor up. And slide this one in, same way the old one came out. Get it started by hand before you start tightening it with a wrench or a socket. Now I can tighten this down. If you can fit a torque wrench in there and you want to torque it, you can torque it to 36 foot-pounds. Do the best you can. Now slide the wire through this clip. Slide the clip in place. And then connect the connector. Connector only goes one way. Slide that in. Push it in and lock it down. That's good. Slide the connector into that bracket. Now put the cover back up. Line up all the holes. Get the screws started. Over here. And then the screws over here. And tighten them all down.